Hello everyone, this is Ray with Oregon Lure, and what do you do when it's too windy to fish? You do some crab snaring. Today I'm going to show you how to put one of these together. Basically what you do is take the line, run it through the eye, and you want to make sure that the loops are facing outward. So what you do is put it in the hole and run it in maybe about 3/16 of an inch. And then once it's in, push up on it. Take the blue insert, or whichever color you happen to get, and you see there's a notch in there. You want the notch facing towards the top. Push it in, and if it's a little bit snug, push down on the table, solid surface, give it a good tug, make sure that it's in place and that you want to see that the loop is actually facing on the outside. So we'll go ahead and do the rest of these really quickly. Alright, now they're all in place. Make sure they're all, give a good tug on all of them, make sure that they work well. And the last step, what we'll do here is we'll install the weight. The trick to this is line up the two ends, put the weight directly in the center, run the included screws through the inside. Second one. And notice when it comes through, you get it brand new. The center one may be a little bit off from the packaging. You install the included snare straightener. Just wrap it around the outside. If you let it sit overnight, that'll straighten right out, and you'll be ready to go catch some crab.